B-2 Spirit. What if I told you there's an aircraft that can fly 50,000 feet above the Earth, travel across continents without being detected, and strike anywhere in the world, silently? No radar warning, no engine roar on your screen, just a shadow in the sky. This is not just a bomber. This is stealth perfected. This is the B-2 Spirit. Before we dive into this flying phantom, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the channel. Because here, we don't just review machines, we break down legends. Design, the shape of invisibility. At first glance, the B-2 doesn't even look real. No vertical tail, no traditional fuselage, just a smooth flying wing. Every curve, every angle is designed to reduce radar signature. Built with advanced stealth technology, it became one of the most invisible aircraft ever created, following the earlier stealth breakthrough of the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk. From above, it looks almost alien. From radar screens, almost invisible. This aircraft doesn't rely on speed alone. It relies on silence, power and range, global reach. The B-2 can fly at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. Its unrefueled range? Over 6,000 nautical miles. With just one mid-air refueling, it can exceed 10,000 nautical miles. That means it can take off from the United States, strike a target across the globe, and return home. Few aircraft in history have had that kind of global reach. History and missions. It officially entered service in 1997. Originally designed as a nuclear-capable bomber during the Cold War era, it was first used in combat during the Kosovo War in 1999, dropping conventional, non-nuclear weapons. Since then, it has operated in Iraq, Afghanistan, Libya, and beyond. But what makes the B-2 truly powerful isn't just its weapons. It's the fact that it can reach places others cannot. Undetected. Fleet status. As of today, the United States Air Force operates just 19 of these aircraft. Only 21 were ever built. One was lost in a 2008 crash. Another was damaged in 2022. And by 2032, this stealth legend will be replaced by the next-generation Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, which makes the B-2 not just powerful, but rare. Price reveal. Now here's the shocking part. How much does it cost to build one invisible flying wing? The price of a single B-2 Spirit is estimated at over $2 billion per aircraft. Yes, billion. Making it one of the most expensive military aircraft ever created. The B-2 Spirit isn't just an aircraft. It's engineering dominance. It's strategic power. It's a symbol of stealth technology at its peak. A machine built not to be seen, but always to be remembered. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the next aircraft we review might be even more advanced